What go on, people? You don't know say Yaadman sports in a minute. And I know now wonder what really are going on. Well, hear me now? Me and my dirty football friend them are plan to go up on a little covert mission down at Paris to go fix things and find out how I really are going on. So if you want forward on the mission, make we know, because we are planning to intercept the place before dawn. Oh, go on, people. You don't know so the Yaadman sports in a minute, but they are again with a thing called Baddis in Paris. And of course, again, we have a full black coming up on the covert mission. You see me? Alright now, people, I'm not lie. Them last 2 days, today and yesterday, I must say the worst 2 days in Jamaica sporting history. Everything we are going right now down at Paris is just a mystery. From the athlete, them come off of the plane, it's almost like the whole of Jamaican people, them energy just a drain. People from Shelly, and then to the Shericka, me not like we sick out people, we are roast with dengue fever. But hear me now, we are going tonight and make you know what really go on today. I want to make you know what we find out, you see me? So first thing, we wake up this morning early, only if we find out that Shericka nah run. And it's almost like right this up, a whole heap of people Olympics just done. Cause trust me, it's like so the middle of them just go from a little by little people. It's almost like so we are flour and we are getting yam up by a weevil. So alright people, we face the disappointment, the Shericka nah run. But at least Berger and Thomas, them turn up for the gun and them gone through to the semi-final like 200. That is good. You know hold on a little bit. Let me take this off because me a burn up, you know. Me a burn up. So on to the 110-meter hurdles for the man them. And Broadbell and Bennett look very speedy. They make it through nice and easy. But me nah lie, me know what happened with Ansi. It's almost like I can get some bad news from Gretel. Brother, what really go on this, brother? But hear me now. Him qualify as a fastest loser. But Ansi, don't make it happen again. Brother, the gold medal we are pre, you know. Stick with the program, brother. Stick with the program. And after that, now the 400-meter hurdle with the woman them that are Salmon, Clayton and Russell. And we do what we need to do, people. We get through to the semi-final. And we are ramping and hustle, we are hustle. Now the man them long jump with our little small bump. Because Tajay Gale never make it through him fail. But you see, McLeod and Pinnock never have no hiccup. Straight through to the final. And we plan to defeat every single rival. Oh, now hear me now, people. You see, right here, so I will some of my foolishness go on again. I will for the launch an investigation. Because 2 out of the 3 of them in the 400-meter man them never rise to the occasion. Because Bailey and Watkins have to go run again in the repechage. I mean, I like people. The road to the semi-final for them look really hard. So Natalia Gould, she try her best, but she comes 6th in her semi-final. That simply means she not go there in her final. But people, the event where Jamaica in after that 1 year, the event will come after this, people. At this we are going Paris for people. At this we are going in army mode for people. You know what, man? Here, me people, the 100-meter for the man them. Semi-finals, we did the thing wicked, nice and easy and breezy. Only Akeem Blake never make it through the gate. But big up yourself, Akeem, you do your best. But here, me now, in the finals now, oh, we see the real test. At least we are going to Paris for. Because not because a Jamaica never win, means we have a problem. But why not the man them turn up out there and just hold up the man them? Here, me the one in Agarine. For over 2 minutes, people, the man them just turn up out there and looking at space. First me ever see this in all of my life. And then out of the blue, they just start play this eerie, full music. And then when them going at the blacks, they might hold up the man them again, that they want to get the race to them friend. People, it was an epic final. But you hear me now? When I bad mind nobody in the people, them same win. So a win is a win. When I like Tweety Bird, aka Noah from the Ark, me sure after this in the people, I'll be here talking, I go talk. But nah lie. It was an epic race, but we still feel like say a Kishane take the first place. Hold on a little bit, come on the little schooling. Come I realize say all people don't know much about track. And your foot win the race, you know, and your torso. So you can't lean back. You have to lean forward to the line. So that when the camera see you, them can't say you lose like them blind. But you hear me now? It's a good race, you know. Big up yourself, Kishane. You fall back for them. I know say you're going to win some races next year, bro. And in the years to come, you have it, my youth. Just do the do. You see me? Oblique. I know say disappointed because that's not your best. But hear me now? Don't hold on your head, brother. Walk tall and keep up your chest. You hear people like that, you know. But as I say, if you want forward, let me know where I'm going. Because we are leave out at dawn. We are going to Paris, we kick up a storm. Because we have to find out how I really are going. We're going to see some changes. Don't watch my face. Alright? I'm gone.